Escape to the breathtaking Goff Caye on this excursion from Belize City. Begin with a 30-minute scenic boat ride to this tiny, pristine island, surrounded by crystal clear waters and the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Arriving to the island, you can relax with your toes in the sand, take a dip, and enjoy a delicious lunch of locally prepared dishes.
I have this wonderful plate of local food.
Snorkeling is a fun and optional part of this tour. You will snorkel either from the shores of Goff's Caye or from the boat in the waters near Goff's, depending on the conditions. Enjoy vibrant coral formations and encounter an abundance of tropical fish. Afterward, relax on the stunning Goff's Caye beach, savoring the Caribbean ambiance and white coral sand before returning to the mainland.
It's been the best trip I've had in a very long time.
The Goff's Caye excursion is the perfect way to spend your time in Belize before heading back to your cruise ship or hotel.